Did you know that Anthropic is now valued at $380 billion?
Claude is now a $380 billion ecosystem, and most people still use it like a chatbot.
Go to my settings panel here, you will see this option called connectors. So firstly, Claude is now allowing you to get their intelligence inside of applications that you use on a daily basis. At the forefront, you have Google Calendar, Google Drive, all of these basic things. But if I go to browse connectors,
Anthropic added connectors. You plug Claude into Gmail, Calendar, Canva, Stripe, Figma, every app you use at work. One click, authorize it, and Claude can see your tools and take action inside them. This isn't a chatbot. This is a digital employee that never sleeps.
they have application connectivity across different departments. So if I go to financial services, if I go to sales marketing, you have your CRM tools, Stripe, you have Zoom Info, you have Moody's, you have literally every popular tool out here in the world of sales and finance. If I just go ahead and select design and development.
But connecting apps is just the foundation. What Claude does next with them is where the real money starts.
Done setting up your connectors, there's another important concept called skills. So skills are nothing but reusable instructions. These are like SOPs for your agents. These are repetitive tasks or a set of instructions that your agent or Claude has to follow. And you can see that we have following examples. These are the skills created by the Anthropic itself. You have algorithmic art, brand guidelines, canvas design.
Claude now has skills, reusable instructions that tell it exactly what to do. Read my emails, find meeting requests, add them to my calendar. Done. You don't write code. Claude asks you questions and builds the skill for you. Name, description, workflow, connectors, execution steps, all documented automatically.
Doc authoring, internal comms, and even MCP builders. MCP's Model Context Protocol will be covering MCP in detail later in this video. So for each skill, if you watch closely, there's an edit by section, which is Anthropic. There's a description for that particular skill, and then you start with a name. You have name and then the description of that skill. Now it always includes workflows, all the connectors that it can use.
One skill is powerful, but what happens when Claude runs those skills on autopilot without you even being there? That changes everything.
Apart from this, if you see on the left side, Claude has recently launched this new update called Scheduled. This will help you automate your day-to-day tasks. So if I click on this new task, I can define a name and description along with a prompt, model, as well as the folder that I want it to work on. And if I don't want to define all this, I can simply go to my prompt box and type in /schedule.
Schedule tasks. You type watch schedule. Tell Claude what to do, when to do it, and walk away. Research AI trends daily. Create a document, email it to me at 10 a.m. every single day. No NHN, no make, no Zapier. It runs inside Claude directly. One prompt, set it, forget it.
And now I can type in my prompt. I will say create a scheduled task that runs at 10 a.m. daily and researches about latest AI tools and trends, and then creates a document of it.
One automated task is great, but what if you could bundle dozens of skills and automations into one department-ready system? That's exactly what plugins do.
Claude has also introduced something known as plugins. Now these plugins are collections of skills and connectors for specific departments and industries. You can directly access plugins from this plus icon and then clicking on this plugin button. You can click on this add plugin and you'll see all the plugins that we have in our system.
Plugins are bundles of skills and connectors for specific departments: marketing, finance, legal, sales, HR. Click install, it's ready. Marketing plugin gives you campaign plans, brand reviews, content strategies, all with /commands. Customize it for your business and your entire team can use it. You can even build your own plugin from scratch.
Now these are all the plugins created by Anthropic and partners, but you can also create your own plugins, which means the workflows that your company follows, and create a plugin that can be shared across your teams.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind the scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
And then they can use that plugin for their day-to-day tasks. So you have plugin for productivity, enterprise search, sales, finance, data, legal, etc. You also have a plugin for marketing. Now if I click on this install button, I can see that my plugin was installed.
Plugins handle the business side, but if you want Claude to build, code, and secure your entire tech stack, you need Claude Code.
On your preferences. So now you know how connectors work, how skills work, and how plugins work. We also understood how scheduled task works inside Claude app. And we were doing all this inside Cowork. But Claude also has another feature called Claude Code. This is different from Claude Cowork. So Cowork is mainly for non-technical people and
Coding, security scans, GitHub PR reviews, all from one command line. Install it in your terminal with one line of code. Start a project on your laptop, scan a QR code, continue it from your phone with remote control. Claude Code also connects to MCP servers, Figma, Notion, Canva, and converts designs directly into code.
enabling Claude to be used by people who work on their desktop application or Claude in their day-to-day life. But Claude Code is mainly for developers. It enables you to perform coding, security scans, and even review your GitHub PRs. For those who don't know, GitHub is a collection of all the coding files that you keep on Cloud. Now you can either use Claude Code using this app only, or you can also install Claude Code on your terminal.
Claude Code is for builders. But what if you don't code at all and just want Claude inside Excel, PowerPoint, and Slack? That's the final piece.
And then click on Send. And now Claude is asking me for searching MCP registry. I'll click on Allow once. And now this will use Figma MCP to convert your design into coding files. Now apart from this, Claude is also available on external applications like PowerPoint, Excel, and even Slack, which enables you to increase your productivity and execution time using Claude.
Open Excel. Click Add-ins, authorize Claude. It builds financial models, fills sheets, creates dashboards right inside your spreadsheet. Open PowerPoint, same thing. Full presentations generated in minutes. Connect Slack and Claude, researches, reports, and response directly in your workspace. Even your health apps can connect.
So if I go to my browser and open my Excel file, you can see that I get an option to use Claude. You can simply add this Claude by clicking on this add-ins option and then authenticating your account using Claude. I can simply click on this Claude, and on the right side you can see that I get an option to use Claude. And now I'll have to do a login for my Claude account. I'll click on authorize and then it gives me these following options.
These tools are at their worst right now, and they're already this powerful. The people who learn them today will be the ones everyone else is chasing 6 months from now. Start building. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.